What's up guys, it's Marcos from Overland Vehicle Systems. I'm here to show you the 360-degree awning setup. I'm here to show you the 360-degree awning system. So you need to use two 180-degree awnings, one on your driver and your passenger side, and then you have to order the 180 connector kit. It's a two-piece system, so you're able to get the rear side and the front side of your vehicle. It's good if you want more coverage than a 270 awning, and you're also able to still connect all of your accessories like your wall kits, your annex room. And currently it's only available in the HD version and soon to be available in the XD version later this year, probably around Q3. The awning connector piece is created out of 280G ripstop polycotton fabric with a 3500 PU waterproof rating. And for more information, visit overlandvehiclesystems.com and check out our social media, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube.